The next day, after dinner, Alina and her dad continued with the next chapter of the Harry Potter book, as they usually do.
Let me explain what I was reading yesterday. You know you are intelligent because of your brain, right? Animals have brains too. Do you know which animal has the biggest brain?
An elephant? It's the biggest animal I've seen. I saw it last time we visited India.
You're close. The sperm whale's brain weighs 17 pounds or 7.8 kilograms. An elephant's brain weighs about 11 pounds or 5 kilograms.
What about mine and yours?
Don't know exactly, but the human brain weighs around 3 pounds or 1.4 kilograms. The brain is the most complex part of the human body. A lot of research is being done to understand it. Let me explain it in a simple way. The brain is like a supercomputer with many parts. Look here. The frontal lobe helps with decision-making and personality. The parietal lobe helps with touch and pain. The temporal lobe with memory and speech. And the occipital lobe with vision. There are specific brain areas for long-term, cortex, and short-term memory, hippocampus. The brain is the center of memory and intelligence. For detailed understanding, you have to be a neuroscientist. Computers try to emulate the concept of short-term memory and long-term memory. Do you know how many neurons your brain has?
Neuron. What is that?
They are the smallest functional units of the brain. It looks like a squiggly worm candy you eat sometimes. Actually, a neuron looks like a tiny tree. It has a round center, little branches to catch messages, and a long tail to send messages to others.
Maybe 1 million or 2 million?
It's much more than that. The human brain has about 86 billion neurons. They connect each other. Do you know which animal has the most neurons?
A sperm whale? It has the largest brain.
That's a very good guess. But elephants have the most neurons, roughly 3 times more than humans. They have around 250 billion neurons.
Really?
Yes, elephants have more neurons and bigger brain size than humans. Can you guess who is more intelligent? An elephant or you?
Of course. I am more intelligent.
You're right. So having more neurons or a bigger brain doesn't necessarily mean more intelligence. Each neuron in the human brain connects with 7,000 to 15,000 other neurons. The human brain has over 600 trillion synapses. They are the connections between neurons. It's incredibly complex and powerful, all packed inside your brain. Think about it. So, a bigger brain or more neurons does not necessarily mean more intelligence. It depends on the number of many factors such as the number of connections and... Tomorrow we will talk about intelligence.